Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Today we are talking about beautiful and easy hairstyle ideas for women over 60. Age is just a number and your hairstyle can make you feel fresh, confident and full of personality. Let's explore some simple and lovely hairstyle ideas that are perfect for women over 60. First, the short pixie cut. This is one of the most popular hairstyles. It is very easy to manage and does not take much time to style. A pixie cut makes your face look fresh and bright. It is perfect for women who want a clean and modern look. Next is the bob haircut. A bob cut is always in fashion. You can keep it short or medium length. It frames your face nicely and gives a soft and elegant look. You can also add layers to make your hair look fuller. Another great idea is the layered haircut. Layers add volume and movement to the hair. This is helpful if your hair feels thin. A layered style gives a youthful and light appearance. Now let's talk about the shoulder length haircut. This length is perfect if you don't want very short hair. It is easy to tie, style or leave open. You can make soft waves for a more stylish look. The soft curls hairstyle is also a lovely choice. Curls make your hair look fuller and more lively. You don't need tight curls, just soft loose curls are enough to create a gentle and beautiful style. Another simple option is the straight and sleek look. If you like a neat and clean style, straight hair is perfect. It looks polished and elegant, especially for special occasions. Now let's not forget the low bun hairstyle. This is a classic and graceful look. It is perfect for daily wear or formal events. A low bun is easy to make and keeps your hair neat all day. The short layers shag haircut is also very trendy. It gives a relaxed and natural look. This hairstyle is great if you want something stylish but not too heavy or difficult to manage. For women who love natural beauty, grey hair styles are a wonderful choice. Instead of coloring, you can embrace your natural grey hair. With the right cut, grey hair looks elegant and confident. You can also try side swept bangs. Side bangs can make your face look softer and younger. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.